everyone, welcome to today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and we are back with a relatively old school video of mine. We're doing a haul, but this isn't just any ordinary haul. This is a Disney haul, which is possibly the most exciting haul there can be. Maybe a charity shop haul is second, but I feel like a Disney haul is the best. It's been so long since I've done a haul, so I'm really excited to come back with you with this one. If you haven't seen my Disney vlogs, then definitely go and check it out. I filmed 3 days while I was there, so definitely go and check them out if you haven't. And you probably would have had a sneak peek of some of the things I picked up. So without further ado, let's get into the haul. So one of the first things I looked at, and actually the main thing I've been using since I've got back from Disney, is this gorgeous Space Crane Pizza Planet cup, obviously from Toy Story, and I just thought this was super cute. So this was €15. I'm going to try and remember everything that I spent, but I can't remember for everything. But yes, this is about €15, and it's just this gorgeous Pizza Planet cup. The straw is the claw, that rhymes, and I love drinking out these sort of cups. I've also worked out 3 of these is like over my 2 litres, which is perfect, and I've already drank about 3 of these today. I just find if I have a straw with a cup with a straw, I tend to drink so much more, which is super important, and staying hydrated is definitely the number 1 thing that's great for your skin. And I've noticed since coming back from Disney, from wearing a mask for them basically solidly for 4 days, because you even have to wear your mask in the hotel. Obviously when in your rooms you're fine, so basically apart from sleeping not in a mask, I was in a mask 24/7, and then obviously wearing makeup as well, which I very rarely do. It just meant that my skin has really started to break out, so I need to down some water, which I've definitely been doing with this cup, and I love this. I saw it a couple of times and was kind of debating whether or not to get it, and I just thought it was definitely going to be one of the things I regretted if I didn't get, and I just thought you're never going to see this sort of thing in the UK, so I definitely picked that up as soon as I could, and I really like that one. The next thing I picked up are these gorgeous Disney ears, because I don't think it's a trip to Disney if you haven't purchased a pair of ears, and I had my eyes on these ones before we even went. Obviously Avengers Campus isn't in Disneyland Paris yet, but it will be very soon, hopefully March to April next year. So I picked up these gorgeous baby Groot ears, and I just think these are the cutest things ever. I would definitely be wearing these on my next Disneyland Paris trip, which will hopefully be once the Avengers Campus is open. I did also meet some of the Avengers while I was there. I met Captain America and Black Widow, and they were like such amazing character interactions. I do definitely think that Disneyland Paris have stepped up their character interactions, and they've been really good. I met more characters this time than I think I ever have done in a Disney park. So if you like character interactions, then definitely head to Disneyland Paris at the moment, because I think because some of the magic may be lost with not having fireworks and obviously social distancing, I think they really are kind of pumping loads of characters out, and I just really enjoyed that. So yes, I bought these ears. I believe these were €20, which is kind of average price for a pair of ears in Disneyland. But yeah, I just thought these are super cute, and who doesn't love Baby Groot? I mean, literally everyone loves Baby Groot. The next thing I picked up was actually another cup. So I'd already got that one, and then I went into the Pirates of the Caribbean shop, and I saw this cup. So it says, "So good at being bad," and I didn't actually realise until I was out for my Annette's dinner that it actually lights up. I don't know if you can really see that, because obviously I've got quite bright lights on here, but it does light up, and I just thought it was so fun. And I mean, who isn't good at being bad? I mean, I feel like that's a great saying, and I just really like it. It's got the Evil Queen, Maleficent, Hades, Ursula, and the bad guy from Princess and the Frog. I can't remember what his name is. The one who does all the voodoo. Can't remember his name, but I love Princess and the Frog, so yeah, really cute. Oh wait, so it has all the names on here. Hold on. Oh, Dr. Facile. I definitely butchered that pronunciation, but yes, I got this Disney cup. And did I need another cup? Probably not, but this one was actually only €10, so it was a lot cheaper than that one. And since coming home, I looked on the Shop Disney website, and they do have quite a few cups, and about €10 is probably like the cheapest I saw them. I think the cheapest one on Shop Disney was about £14, so not too bad. Only thing is the straw has bent on the way home, so I'm hoping that isn't kind of affected it, but I kind of straightened it out, and hopefully it'll be fine. But I love drinking out cups. As I said, I find that I drink loads more water. And another good top tip for Disney is definitely check all of the shops. It might sound silly because you'll go in there and you'll see the majority of the stuff is the same. exciting throughout all of the shops, but this one I only actually saw in 2 shops, and it wasn't in sort of the big World of Disney shop, it wasn't in Emporium, where they like the 2 main big shops. So definitely look out in all of the shops maybe before buying something, because obviously I bought that cup and I do really love a Pizza Planet cup, and I probably would have gotten that one anyway, but I didn't see this one, and when I saw it I just fell in love. So definitely if you're looking out for a certain thing, then definitely look in all the different shops. Also, my sister who I went with, she wanted to get a new keyring, and for some reason she just wasn't loving any of the keyrings she saw, and then we went into one of the shops, I think it was the Snow White shop, and they had a Dumbo one. And, or actually it might have been the Buzz Lightyear shop. Anyway, she went in and they had one that she'd not seen anywhere else, and she just fell in love with it. She's like, I knew I was holding out. So although the majority of the merchandise is in every shop, there is stuff that is kind of shop exclusive and only in a couple of them. I know I only saw the Baby Groot ears in about 3 of the shops. Even the shops that just sold ears didn't have them one. So definitely check out lots of the different shops if there's something specific you're looking for. And also all the shops are really lovely, well themed. As I said in my video, definitely look upward in Disney shop, because the ceiling's always amazing. There's definitely characters all around, so definitely look out for that. The next thing I picked up was kind of my biggest purchase, and you may have seen this in the vlog, but I got this gorgeous Disneyland Paris Spirit jersey. So this is my first Spirit jersey I've owned. They only had this one, the Neon Summer blue and green one, and the Lion King one, but I really wanted this one anyway. This is the one I was going to go for, and it's just got the gorgeous kind of Disney logo on the front, and then across the back it says Disneyland Paris in a big font. I've heard from Brummy Mummy of 2 here on YouTube that these wash really well, which is really great, and they are really super thin, which I love because I get super hot in like a big jumper, so I find that I always want something quite cool. And I got this in an XL, if you're wondering. I'm about a 16, a size 14 to 16 in clothing, and I got an XL, and it is nice and baggy. I like my jumpers to be baggy. I also think I could get away with wearing some leggings, and I love this so much. It's definitely one that I'll happily go out the house in, and I just really love this, so I picked that one up, and this was €59, which works out about £51 if you are wondering. The next thing I picked up is this gorgeous little Pluto pen. This was €6, which is a lot for a pen, but I just thought this was super cute. We actually met Pluto in our hotel, and he's always a good interaction. I always have a good character interaction with Pluto. He's really cute. If you want to see any of my character interactions, then I filmed them all on the vlog, so definitely check that out. But yeah, I got this cute little Pluto pen. I've actually got the the mini one that I got years ago when I went to Disney, and now I've got a little Pluto one, so I'm really happy I picked that one up. Then from one of the shops in Frontierland, there's kind of one big main shop, and this is where I got this one from. I got this gorgeous Nightmare Before Christmas Jack Skellington shot glass. I feel like I've started to drink a little bit more recently. I don't know if it's lockdown or if it's just that I'm going out a lot more, but I thought I want my own designated shot glass, and this is definitely going to be that one. We met Jack Skellington, and he was definitely the best character interaction I had that trip, if not the whole time I've been to Disney. I just thought he was so amazing, so funny. My only way of describing like the personality that Jack Skellington we met had is he was like a drag queen, and like the energy was amazing, and he was just really great. He was in his Santa costume, and I thought to remember that I would get this, and this is only €4, which I think is really decent. Obviously they would expect you to buy more than one, and that's probably why they priced them quite cheap, but for €4, which only works out a couple of pounds, I thought this is such a good thing. It feels very sturdy. It's quite a large shot glass, so it'll be a bloody big shot if you had this, but I thought it was super cute, and it's to remember the character interaction I had with Jack, which is again up in the vlog. He like tapped me on the shoulder, and he was around the other side, and he was just really funny, and I really liked meeting him. I also thought I'd pop this in here to show you. This is kind of the leaflet they give you when you go into the Skyline bar in the Marvel Hotel. We didn't stay there, but we went in for a drink, and they give you a Daily Bugle, and it's like a little newspaper, and inside it's got all of the kind of information about the hotel, and kind of is just a big advert for the hotel. It's also got a little map on the back, and I just thought this was super cute. My sister actually took one home for her other half as well, because he really wanted this. But yeah, super cute, and I thought this is a nice little memento to take home. Then the last thing I bought for myself is this gorgeous little keyring. Now this was €6 and it's basically Mickey's outfit. I'm going to try and show you. It's basically Mickey's outfit but all separate. So you've got his trousers, you've got his little shoe, his glove, and then finally a little Mickey outline, and then just a thing that says Mickey Mouse. I thought this was super cute. I thought it was quite simple. This is quite a good one to have on my keys because I already have quite a chunky keyring on my keys, so I wanted to make a little bit more subtle, and I thought this was super cute. So I picked up this Mickey keyring in one of the shops. Then finally we have some gifts. I would have hopefully given these all out by the time this goes live, or I'm just going to hope that the people I'm gifting these things to don't watch my videos, which I don't think they do, so I think we're fine. So let's get started with the gifts. So first off, for my friend Katie, she is who I went to Montpellier with. You would have seen the vlog on there. So Katie was actually living in Montpellier in France, and I picked her up this French cookbook. So it is, I have no idea what it says. It's got Disney characters in, and then it's got recipes in French, and it's kind of all themed for different characters. Obviously, as I said, it's all in French, so I have no idea what it's going to be like, but I thought this was super cute. This was only €14.95, and I thought it was really cute for a nice hardback cookbook. The recipes do look a bit questionable and very simple, but yeah, I thought this was super cute, and I thought it would be a nice thing to gift to Katie, as she can practice her French and cook, and she loves to cook, so I thought that was a really nice idea. Then for my friend Emily, she has just in the process of buying a house, her first house, so I thought she'd probably want something practical. I say that, but I was really tempted to get her a cuddly toy because I feel like she'd also really appreciate that, but I thought I'd do it practical instead. So for €10.99 I got her these two tea towels. So they're both just kind of plain white with black Mickey Mouse on them, and I thought this would be good because I think her kitchen's quite a neutral theme, but I thought black and white can't go wrong. I would go with any theme. They decided to go for it in their kitchen, and I just thought this was super cute, so I picked this up for $10.99. I thought I'd get her some tea towels. Super practical, maybe a little bit boring, but I thought these were really cute, and I thought she would get a lot of use out of these in her new house. And then finally for my friend Holly, I picked up this keyring. So I'm not gonna lie, I actually picked up both of them keyrings. I wasn't quite sure which one I was gonna give to Holly and which one I was gonna keep for myself, but I decided to actually give this one to Holly. I thought it was so cute. It's a little forky, and I mean, who doesn't love Forky? He's just so cute, and I thought this was a really nice gift. So this was $6.99. So as I say, I'm almost definitely sure I'm giving this one to Holly, or I might show her both and get her to decide, because I'm not quite sure if she likes Toy Story 4, but I just thought Forky is so cute, and I mean, who doesn't love a little Forky? Only thing is, I've just noticed it doesn't say Bonnie on the bottom, which is a bit disappointing, because come on Disney, we love attention to detail. But yeah, thought this is super cute. He's kind of a silicone-y material, so I thought he'd be really cute. And I actually got her a keyring, I think last time I went to Disney with the school, I think. It's like the time before last, and I believe she still uses that keyring, so I thought I'd pick her up another one, and I thought Forky was super cute. So that's everything I picked up from my trip to Disneyland Paris. I really hope you enjoyed kind of these Disney videos. I was thinking I might make a video with my top tips, so definitely let me know in the description, in the comments, sorry, if that's something you were interested in. Then I'll definitely kind of make a list of my tips and things I found helpful when I was in Disney. I would also recommend, if you are going to Disney, to definitely go on Facebook and join a couple of Disneyland Paris groups. They really helped me kind of clear up any questions I had. If you just type in Disneyland Paris for Brits or Disneyland Paris advice, there's two Facebook groups I'm on that have been so helpful. Even just reading other people's questions and reading their answers has been really helpful. I have also put a couple of things on there just asking for little bits and pieces. Obviously I know Disneyland Paris quite well, I've been before, but I did find it overall amazing. It was quite busy, but that is to be expected kind of the time of year. But yeah, I loved it so much. It was so nice to escape. And yeah, I'm sure we'll be back with some regular videos. I really want to go thrifting. I don't want to spend money, but I do want to be thrifting, and I feel like you guys need a thrift haul. So I definitely will do thrifting at some point this week and film that for you guys. But yeah, that's it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment what your favourite piece of merch was that I picked up, and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!